Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use what3words in the app Coordinates. Coordinates is a GPS formatter that converts coordinates into a range of formats and vice versa. This would also include 3-word addresses. So let's go ahead and get into the app. The app first takes you to your current location using your phone GPS. And as you can see, it displays your latitude and longitude. To find your 3-word address, you're going to click on the degree button over here. Scroll down to find what3words and click Done. And now you can see your 3-word address. You can click on the 3-word address to copy it. Alternatively, you can move around the map to find your appropriate 3-word address. If you want to search for a 3-word address or you want to convert the 3-word address to GPS coordinates, you can click on the search icon on your bottom left. Scroll down to find the what3words bar and enter your 3-word address. In my case, I'm going to type in filled, count, soap. Here are some auto suggestions and I'm going to choose the first one. And now as you can see, it's converted into different types of formats. If you want to see your 3-word address on the map, you can click on the map icon over here. If you want to see it in satellite view, you can do that by clicking on the orange map icon over here. That's how easy it is to use what3words in Coordinates. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.